This has got to be the simplest and one of the most stunning looks that I've ever created on my channel here. It's the kind of look where people think there's nothing on your eyelids, but it still looks glamorous. Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. If you haven't created the neutral 2-shade concealer sparkly look, you're in for a treat. Even if you haven't watched any other tutorial of mine, I would ask you to watch this because I get a feeling that you will love it. So without further delay, let's begin. As always, let's get done with the eyebrows, and I'm trying something new today. This is the Brow Frame Pencil by Dominique Cosmetics. This pencil shape is quite different than what I've tried and what I like. If you've followed me for a while, you know that I like the fine tip brow pencils because it's so easy to draw those natural hair-like strokes. This almost looks like a blade, but it's extremely pigmented, and this is something that I'm actually liking. I only wish the spoolie in the back was a little bit longer. It's easier to hold it when it's longer, but this detaches from the pencil itself. And there's a sharpener in the back to sharpen the pencil, which is fantastic. I'm using it very light-handedly because my eye makeup is going to be super delicate. So I don't want to keep the eyebrows really strong and the eye makeup delicate. I want everything to blend in really well. Using the Milani concealer in the shade 145, which is a true match to my skin tone, I'm going to clean up underneath the brows. And the brush that I'm using here is actually an eyeliner brush by Doe Color. I use it for my concealers. Although certain brushes are meant to do certain things, you just have to get innovative with them. You can use any brush to do anything basically. For today's look, you'll need 2 different shades of concealer, a lighter one and a darker one to add dimension. I'm using these 2 from LA Girl. You can use whatever you have. The lighter one is in the shade Creamy Beige and the deeper one is in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I'm going to place a dot of the lighter one in the inner half and a dot of the deeper one in the outer half. With a blending brush, I'm going to start blending this out, starting with the lighter one. And I'm going to keep it on my lid. I'm not going to spread it out too much. And then I'm going to start blending the deeper concealer with the same blending brush, and I'm going to slightly take it above the lid area. After I've buffed it out, I'm going to join the 2 concealers by blending just over that line that separates out the lighter from the deeper concealer. You can see how beautiful that looks with the lighter shade in the inner corner, and as it goes to the outer corner, it becomes deeper and deeper. I'm now going to lightly set this with a translucent powder. The one that I'll be using is from One Size. You can use whatever translucent powder that you have. With another blending brush, I'm going to lightly set it from the inner to the outer corner. That is what is going to make it look like you have nothing on your lid but still have that dimension. In fact, if you stop at this and apply a coat of mascara, you can wear this look to work. It looks very classy and put together. At the same time, it's not too dramatic. I'm going to add some sparkles to this just to oomph it up if I want to go from a day to night look. And the one that I'll be using is called Catitude and is a Super Shock Shadow by Colourpop. I'm going to pick it up with my finger and I'm going to place it right in the center of my lid, and with the residue that's left on my finger, I'm going to spread it out to the sides. You can see that's absolutely stunning while it maintains the dimension underneath because it's kind of a translucent sparkle. It still adds that glam. I'm going to apply a little bit more of the deeper concealer in my lower lash line before I smoke it out with a flat definer brush. And then I'm going to be using an eyeliner. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Inks eyeliner pen, and I'm using the shade Oil Sleek. I wanted to keep this look very muted and delicate, and that's why I'm not using a black eyeliner. The one that I'm using is almost like a gunmetal shimmer. Time to finish up, so I'm going to first curl my lashes before I use a mascara. The one that I'll be using today is the highly rated Lash Extensions Tubing Mascara by Milani. I always examine the wand before I buy a mascara, and I absolutely love this one because you can very comfortably use it both in your top as well as bottom lashes. If the wand is very thick, you often smudge your mascara when you apply it in your lower lashes, but if it is slender like this, it becomes more convenient. And here's the finished look. Tell me this is not stunning. I absolutely love it, and I hope you do as well. Let me know in comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. In the description box right below this video, you'll find links to all the products that I used today, along with links to my social media. In case you plan to recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.
Why you wanna run?